Hey, this is Jeff, and welcome to Eternity Shore. And it's that time of year again when we do the swim platform. I've used two different systems over the years, so I'm picturing them here. The Starbrite system is kind of complete start to finish restoration, and it protects the system. Starbrite includes the teak cleaner, the teak brightener, and then the teak oil. And then the Teak Nu system on the right is more kind of heavy chemical cleaning, and it really only has the first two of those processes. And so you need a teak oil to finish that off. Because I already had this in stock, I thought I would finish the Teak Nu system and then be able to get the Starbrite system and use the teak oil, which I ended up running out of. For those of you that subscribe to the Boogaboo Crew, I have a little bit of a shout out, maybe a little making fun of him, maybe a little making fun of me towards the end of this video. So you want to stay tuned for that.
Battery's almost dead. Tomorrow morning, this is going to look like sand. You'll see the transformation. And then tomorrow, we'll let the sunlight dry it, and then we'll put the last step on.
Okay, this is the next day, so it's time to do step 3.
All right, so obviously I ran out of step 3. Need to run out and get more to finish. See the difference?
And here you see the final product. We'll put them side by side so you can see what it looks like before and after.
All right, wow, it's been a long day. And I have a lot of electronic stuff on my dinette, if you haven't noticed. Yeah, that's a lot of garbage, a lot of stuff that needs to be put away. Don't you think? So I can use the table because I'm hungry for dinner. Super hot outside. Well, not super hot, but I treated myself to air conditioning plugged in. And after a long day of work, boat work, I think we all know exactly where I'm headed. Yep. Going in the fridge. That can only mean one thing. Or it can only mean 2 things. What 2 things you think I'm taking out right now? If you guessed corn on the cob, you were right. Way to go. Because nothing satisfies your hunger and thirst after a long day of boat maintenance than 2 ears of corn. I think one's white and one's yellow. We'll find out. Ah, shucks. You thought it was beer, didn't you? Those days are over for me. Ah, there it is. One's white. One is sort of hybrid. Yellow-white. Time to boil the water, which on a boat could take a long time. But I have a long time because I got to clean this up. That's better. Because a watch pot never boils. Didn't your mom tell you that? Oh, and look. It's just boiling now. Perfect timing. Get down there. There we go. We're eating corn and we're catching up on Boogaboo. If I have 2 ears of corn, what is Paul going to get 2 of? I wonder. He's taking us to a lock where the boat isn't. Usually when Paul, with Boogaboo, goes over to a lock, it's usually to get Chinese food if he's not in his boat. This time it's not. I know that most of you that subscribe to my channel are familiar with Paul and his channel, and if not all of you, a large percentage of you. But in fact, just for a little test case, put in the comment below if you don't subscribe to Paul. I mean, you can still comment if you do, but if you don't subscribe to the Boogaboo Crew and you subscribe to Eternity Shore, you get a bonus point. But then you should go subscribe to Paul. So we don't make you feel bad. But he has like 300 times more subscribers than we do. That's okay. He's been doing it for 300 years.
What's in the background, but yeah, it's a beautiful spot. Really so looking forward to come here with the boat. So looking forward to it. Yeah, barbecue and Corona Light when we get here.
There it is.
Absolutely. And yeah,
Barbecue and Corona Light. I didn't know he was going to say that. I have my 2 ears of corn though, and 2 cans of A&W Zero Sugar. All right. Yep. We're eating corn and catching up on Boogaboo. Thanks for watching Eternity Shore. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. See ya.